Hello, crypto enthusiast. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Crypto Sonic. Have you ever wanted to meme coin that's not just a joke, but a real movement, a rocket-powered feline that could take your portfolio to the moon? Say hello, TurboMew, the cat on the blockchain. This is not just another meme coin. TurboMew is built on for the speed, hype, serious community-driven growth. If you are into gains, good vibe, and a project over the real transparency, stick around because I am going to about to break down why this could be the next big thing, a hidden gem in the blockchain. If you are new on my YouTube channel Cryptosonic, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. What exactly TurboMew? It's a meme coin that is not just about the laugh. It's a design with utility staking and token synergy in mind. Think of it as ultimate turbocharged cat in the DeFi world. The goal to create fast moving high energy community that actually benefit from holding the token. No sketchy drum, no hidden wallets, just a pure community driven momentum is here. Why TurboMew? Now you might be asking why we have to join it. Let's break it down too. This is community first based where you can check out you are the holder. There is no rug pulls, no shit. No shady business is here, no hidden wallet, no dev dump, just a transparent fairness tokenomics. Memes coin thrive on the hype and Turbo Mio is engineered to go viral. The more people join and stronger it is going to be get. And there you can check out let's be real would not it to be cool to tell you your friends to make a bank because of turbocharged blockchain cat. Alright, so how do you hop on the TurboMew train before its takeoff? It's time for super simple. Get yourself on a crypto wallet with the MetaMask, load some Ethereum, and hold the official DX for the TurboMew. Boom! You are now proudly go for a ride. If you are really feeling bullish, you can stake and earn even more. Now let's talk about the future. TurboMew is about the flash in the pan meme coin. It's got real momentum and the roadmap where you can find easily what's going on. There is the early you get, bigger the potential reward as much as you will. So are you in? TurboMew is ready to pick up you as a community member and you can also join it. You don't want to be person who looks back wishing they would jump on sooner. Join the community on the Twitter, Telegram, where everything is going to be shared, and let's drive on the rocket together. Hit the bell again, subscribe for more crypto gems, and I'll catch you in next one. Let's go to the moon with Turbo Mew coin.